All right, welcome back, Digital B23, and today I'm bringing you something that I have personally been in for over a year. Now, I started off with these guys whenever they were just in the App Store, and it was Bit Universe. You can search that in the App Store, you can use that. What it is this is grid trading. So I am actually using Pionex here, which they were so popular with Bit Universe that they created their own exchange. It uses liquidity from Binance and Huobi, or anyway, uses the liquidity from those. They have massive amounts of money in both, so they are able to provide you cheaper fees. So the fees to trade on Pionex is 0.05% per trade. So you can look at the fees and figure out how much it is to transfer money in and transfer money out, all that stuff. But every single trade you do on this is 0.05%. So what this is this is an exchange that actually has built-in trading bots. Now, all the bots are free to use and you're not paying anything to join. They're just making micro percentages off of every single trade. So they have so much money in here that, you're paying a 0.05% trading fee. Well, they're getting it for 0.03. So they're scraping just a little bit off of every single transaction you do, and they're making a killing at it. So these people have been around for a long time. I have zero fear the exchange is going to disappear, go away. So what this is let's go to let's pick Link BTC. So you can see, obviously, the price of Link has skyrocketed against Bitcoin. Now, what you would want to do down here is create a bot. And, well, that's my current bot that I have running. So let's go to the bot house. And they have all kinds of different ones. So think of a grid bot as Fibonacci lines. You pick a top, you pick a bottom, and you say the price is going to stay in between these 2 points on the map. So then you pick how many lines you want or how many grids in between those two prices. So the fewer lines you have or fewer grids, the more profit you're going to make every single time it performs a trade. If the price moves up, it's going to sell. If the price moves down, it's going to buy. So you just pick 2 points on a chart, say, I think the price is going to stay in between here. And as long as it moves more than 0.06, you're making profit. Say you set it up for 99 grids in between 2 price points. So you could make micro trades to where it's just scraping 0.01% profit for you every single time. You could set it up to where, you're waiting for bigger moves. Now, like say, I only threw one Ethereum into this. So here's mine currently. I'm trading Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I could care less which one I have more of currently, because I think truly we're in a bull run and both these coins are going to go through the roof. I don't deal with shit coins. If you do, that's cool for you. They have plenty of those to choose from. So how I have mine set up is, let's go to parameters. I have 56 grids. Now, in this one, I'm only risking, I think it was a quarter of an Ethereum. So it took my quarter of an Ethereum and set it up 56 different grids between these price points, and every single time it moves up, it's selling and making me more Bitcoin. Every single time it moves down, it's buying and making me have more Ethereum. So 56 times, and you can see right here with 56, my profit per grid is 0.39 to 0.57. So whenever we get those really volatile spikes, it might shoot up to 0.57 or a little bit more profit. But if it's just kind of slowly treading sideways, I'll be getting at least 0.39% every single time. Now, with my quarter of Ethereum I have in this trade, it's breaking it up into 56 tiny trades. So I'm not risking that much per trade, and I'm not making that much profit per trade because, each trade's like, 0.00, 1 or something. But 0.0045 Ethereum per trade is being risked. So obviously I'm not going to get rich off this, but at the end of the day, I am going to have either more Bitcoin or more Ethereum. And right now it looks like I have more Ethereum because it's placed 3 trade orders. I've only had this up and running for about 9 hours, so not too bad, Obviously, it's been treading sideways, not a lot of volatility, but I am A-okay with that because if you look in USD value, I'm up over, $7 off of 1 Ethereum. So I don't know. There's plenty of bots in here. It's not just grid trading. You can do a leverage grid, margin grid, reverse grid. That's where you're shorting it. Leverage reverse grid. So you're shorting with leverage. I think the leverage only goes up to 3x. So, but there's all kinds of stuff. If you want to hodl, they do their own hodling system, and there's plenty of information in the Telegram group. Now, I will warn you, if you join the Telegram group, do not respond to anyone who messages you first. It is 100% a scam. The admins will never message you first. They will never ask you for money for anything. So anyone who's sending you a message saying your order is stuck, please send, half a Bitcoin, that's 100% a scammer. Do not respond to them. Don't talk to them unless you want to just piss them off and make fun of them. But I just want to share this. It's really neat. Something that's different. It's not a hype. It's not a, anything like that. This is an actual exchange, and they have free bots. So I just figured I'd share one of the gems I found along the way. And if you're interested, I'll leave a link below in the description. Feel free to join me. Feel free to take a look. I'll be adding more to this here in the upcoming days, showing y'all a couple of the different bots I'm in. But as for now, I'm just running the one bot. Just started up last night, but I have been in this for over a year. I have just been doing passive platforms and other stuff with my crypto up to now. But now that the bull run's actually getting going and I sold all my Ethereum gold, I want more Ethereum or more Bitcoin. So this is, for me, the little guy, the absolute safest route to go. So hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all learned something new. And feel free to check it out, look around, and I'll talk to y'all more in the next one.